Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Have you ever looked at a complex piece of machinery and wondered, how the heck did they that? I do it all the time, but today, we're going deep on something that's definitely more than meets the eye: firearms. Ever wondered how a firearm is made? Today we'll take you through the fascinating journey from design to distribution. We'll explore the intricate processes, the skilled craftsmanship, and the engineering ingenuity that goes into creating these complex machines. From the drawing board to the testing range, we'll uncover the secrets behind firearm manufacturing. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open because we're about to dive into a world of precision, power, and let's be honest, a little bit of danger. Let's do this. It all starts with an idea. Just like any other machine, a firearm begins its life as a concept in the minds of engineers and designers. They imagine the perfect balance of form and function, the weight, the grip, the caliber, everything that will make this firearm unique. But here's where things get really cool. They take those ideas and translate them into detailed blueprints or CAD designs. Every curve, every dimension, every single part is meticulously planned out. Kinda like a super detailed Lego instruction manual. They're not just designing a firearm, they're designing controlled explosions. Now, you can't just use any old materials to build a firearm. These things have to withstand incredible forces, heat, and pressure. That's where the materials scientists come in, folks. They're like the mad alchemists of the gun world, figuring out the perfect recipe of metals. We're talking about high-grade steel, durable stainless steel, lightweight aluminum, and a whole bunch of alloys that sound like they came straight out of science fiction. Each material plays a crucial role in the firearm's strength, its resistance to wear and tear, and how easily it can be machined. This is where things get seriously cool. We're talking about taking those raw materials and transforming them into the intricate parts that make up a firearm. And trust me, it's way more involved than just melting some metal and pouring it into a mold. This is precision engineering at its finest. First up, the barrel. This is the heart of the firearm, and it's got to be tough enough to handle those controlled explosions I mentioned earlier. They start with a solid block of steel and use these massive machines to drill, ream, and rifle it. And get this, they even carve grooves inside the barrel to make the bullet spin, kinda like a quarterback throwing a spiral. Now we've got all these precisely machined parts, but they're just fancy paperweights unless we put them together. And let me tell you, assembling a firearm is like a high-stakes game of Tetris, except if you mess up, things could get a little explosive. It's all about fitting those pieces together perfectly. You've got the receiver, which is like the skeleton of the firearm, the trigger assembly, the magazine, and of course the barrel we just talked about. Each part has to be carefully fitted and adjusted to make sure everything works smoothly and safely. Okay, we've built our firearm, but we're not done yet. Before it can be sent out into the world, it's got to pass some serious tests. We're talking about safety, reliability, and of course, accuracy. This is where they put the firearm through its paces, firing thousands of rounds to make sure it can handle the stress. They're looking for any signs of malfunction, any jams, any misfires, because when it comes to firearms, safety is paramount. Once a firearm passes all those rigorous tests, it's finally ready for the final touches. They give it a thorough cleaning, lubricate all the moving parts, and then it's time to package it up. This is the moment of truth. The culmination of all that hard work and precision engineering. From there, it's shipped off to gun stores, distributors, and collectors all over the world. And that's it, folks. That's the journey of a firearm, from a simple idea to a finished product. And that's how a firearm goes from a simple idea to a finished product ready for use. It's a journey that requires incredible skill, precision, and a deep understanding of engineering and material science. But here's the thing, folks, building a firearm is just the beginning. It's then entrusted to someone else, someone who will use it for sport, for protection, or for any number of other reasons. And that's a whole other story, one that's just as complex and fascinating as the manufacturing process itself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.